Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you the tag swap that I participated in. This is the Scrap the World's Christmas themed gift tag swap that she hosts every year. And I was able to participate, and I'm just now getting around to opening up the package, but I did want to share with you my group and what my group created. So I'm going to jump right on in, and I'm going to start with this one right here. This one is from Measure Once, Cut Twice. And I'll make sure to leave all the ladies' links in the description box below so that you can show them some love, visit their channels, and be inspired by what they're creating. So this is how hers came, and I am behind on watching YouTube videos, so I apologize. I'm not really sure if this is her tag in here or if this is the goodie. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up first. And she used this really cute little bag that's from the crepe paper. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a crepe paper goodie bag. Oh, and some bling, really pretty. But this is her tag, which is gorgeous. Let me take it out of the packaging. It says, Merry Handmade Treats Made for You by Measure Once, Cut Twice. And let me go ahead and just open this because this looks amazing. And I want you guys to see it outside of the bag, the packaging. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. She created this beautiful Christmas tag. She used a scalloped and a circle, and she created a shaker so it moves around, and there's like little bits of like snowballs. Look at those little tiny Christmas trees and the cute little house that she added. And then she used a die cut that says Merry Christmas, and it's layered a couple of times to give it thickness, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I have this die, but I really want it. This is so pretty. And this is the back, and she has to and from on the back. This is absolutely gorgeous. So, so pretty. Love that. And then I think this is also part of her gift. And she made this super cute little tag. It's like a little tag or an ornament. I'm not really sure. But she used the little deer that you could get, I believe, from Walmart, because I think I picked some up, but I just hadn't had a chance to play with it. She used, looks like a pink and mane bow die down here, and then attached it to this die, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. So I can hang this up on my little small Christmas tree that I have in my laundry room. And I love the little ring of sequins that you added around the neck. That's just brilliant. Love it. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for that. And then I think this might be part of the treats bag. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? I think this goes with someone else's. I think this goes with this. And so I'll go ahead and jump into this one right here. And this one is made by Crafting with a Smile here on YouTube and on Instagram. And again, I'll link all the information down below, but look at her beautiful packaging. I love the little peppermint right there with the little twine. Really, really cute. And I will open this up because I believe this is her tag. And look how she has it packaged. She has like felt little pocket right here, and then that pretty die cut that she die cut out of the pattern paper. That's so pretty. Uh-oh, that just fell off, but I'll fix it. So this is her tag, which is absolutely amazing. It looks like she used some little jingle bells, and oh my gosh, my initial, she has an E. Let me make sure I'm focused so you guys can see. But look at the little charm. She added an E for Erica. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love small details like that. That is so cute. What a great idea. And I love this oval die. That's so pretty. She's got a wooden embellishment, and she's got a little red nose, and it says joy. I love the felt that you added for the little scarf. And then she's got this pretty ribbon right here wrapped around the die cut, which is layered several times for thickness. And then it opens up. Wow, let me see what is on the inside. Oh, wow, it says to and from, and then it's like oh, she used that book die cut. What a great idea. Oh my gosh, this is so inspiring. I love this. This is beautiful. And she even used an eyelet right there to attach her twine. So that's where you can hang it from, you know, your gift. This is amazing. I love it. I love this. And then she added Velcro and it just attaches like that. Wow, this is amazing. I love this. I have an amazing group of ladies that I was able to participate with. So how awesome is that? So inspired. Wow. That is amazing. And this is her goodie. I believe this is her goodie. And I knew this was her goodie because she had sent me some of this bling a few months ago. And just so you know, I have not forgotten about you. I have a package that I'm going to be sending to you. So just know that I have not forgotten and I am going to be sending you some happy mail. Okay, on a side note. All right, moving along, I'll do this one next. This one is from Louisa, who is KSP by Louisa here on YouTube. Hi, Louisa, if you're watching. She's another amazing crafter here on YouTube. Definitely go check out her channel. She makes tons and tons of traveler's notebooks, and she has tons of tutorials on how to create them. And I have been inspired by her for quite some time here on YouTube. I really enjoy her channel. And I'm sorry I'm tearing the bag up, but look at, she's got this cute little treat. Looks like she picked it up from Dollar Tree, but it has paper clips and little rubber bands and little stationery set. Super cute. Thank you for that. And then, oh yay, she sent some of her, looks like she sent some of her digital images. She has an Etsy shop, and she actually has some digital images that you can download. This is super cute. Thank you for sending that. Super, super cute. And some other little treats in there. All right, let's get to her tag, which is right here. Look at her really pretty packaging. I'll go ahead and take it out. And she made a beautiful Christmas stocking. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the beautiful flowers. She's got a jingle bell, snowflake. It says Merry Christmas. She used felt on the bottom and little snow text around the feet. And this beautiful seam binding and this really pretty ribbon that you can hang it. And then on the back it says to and from, so you can write the recipient's name. This is absolutely gorgeous, Louisa. I love it. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. I'm so happy with all of these amazing tags. Last but not least, this is the next package, and this one is from Inspiring Beautiful Creations, and there's her information. And this is beautiful packaging. I love your snowflake. That's really pretty. All right, so I'm going to slide this off. And it looks like her tag is inside of this little pillow box. And I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to mess anything up. Oh, I like how you package that. But look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at all that glitter. And it says joy. She has die cuts laid upon all these different layers of snowflakes. And then there's acetate on the back to keep it all together. Wow, that is gorgeous. Love that. And then she even has like a little snowflake that says, oh, you can write the to and from right here, the name. Oh, I love that. What a great idea. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I love that packaging. Look at that pretty bow with the little snowflake and the bling in the center. That is really pretty. Okay, and then she sent a bunch of goodies. Yay, we love goodies. All right, let's open this up. And again, I love these bags that you use, the little polka dots. It's really cute. Gives me some ideas. She's included some sequins, really pretty. Oh, some ink, yay. Always can use black ink. And she sent some glue dots. Really, really nice. I hope I'm focused. There we go. And then she also sent, I guess this was just the layering sheet in her bag, which she had embossed with snowflakes. And then she sent some glue sticks and even some glitter, pink and silver glue sticks. So really, really pretty. So thank you so much for all those goodies. I'm so happy that I was able to participate in the swap this year. So many amazing tags. Oh my gosh. I mean, these are so impressive. You guys, make sure you show these ladies some love. Check out their YouTube channels and be inspired. Thanks for watching today's video. Leave a comment and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.